Hi friends! Today we are going to read a story called Hard Working Wheels. What's that rumble? What's that roar? Hard-working wheels are on the go. A tractor drags a heavy plow that combs the lumpy earth. Soon, seeds will be planted there. Load up some kids, load up some books, load up some lunches, and add lots of noise. Then trek to school and let out the load. That's what a school bus does every day. A cherry picker stretches out its long steel arm. It reaches for the power lines that need to be repaired. Getting louder, louder, loud! A ladder truck flashes by, off to fight a fire. Soon, its ladder will unfold to reach the highest flames. A spurting, squirting pumper truck hoses down the blaze. Fierce, hot flames fizzle out when they're soaked with water. A snack truck lugs a load of food to the construction site. Sip here, slurp there, gobble up some grub here. A bulldozer crawls over the rubble, shoving rocks and smoothing dirt. A busy backhoe has a seat that can twirl all the way around. The driver faces forward to lift the wide loader. To dig deep with the bucket, he faces the back. Want to look at a funny book? A scary book? A sleepy bedtime storybook? Then step into the bookmobile. It carries a little library to people in many places. An ambulance screams to the scene when people need help in a hurry. Shh! A police car is out on patrol. Turn off the siren. Go S-L-O-W. Slow. A street cleaner creeps over the street, spinning its dusty brushes. It eats up dirt and leaves behind a clean, wet trail of water. A Zamboni rolls over the rink, scraping up ice chips and gulping them down. It washes the rink and leaves behind smooth new ice on top. Moving people, clearing snow. Hard-working wheels always help out. The end.